This is teaching the LFP with a coaxial tube. Right now I've already got it taught. So what we'll do is go ahead and pull it off the coaxial tube. We'll put it back in factory settings. Right now I've got a piece of 2-inch metal pipe I'm putting in, so I'll screw that all the way on there. Hold the set button for about 3 seconds. Come to factory reset. Factory reset it. Now you'll see if I take this out and I stick the sensor directly inside, it doesn't read anything. After I take it and stick it in a coaxial tube, I get a reading, but it's kind of all over the place. So what I need to do is go ahead and screw it on the tube. And then I'll pull it all the way out, hit set, auto cal, and hit OK. And escape out of that. And once I put it in there, if I have a stable tube, I get a stable reading.